water because Tibet's like known as the region of the world. So I think help encouraging the co-sponsor the Dalai Lama's 90th birthday resolution. So I think the main goal of this resolution is just to help honor and help to support the U.S.'s support for human rights.
Ben ondan şöyle diye buraya geleceğim. Anne yavuşlar çok sıkıntı.
Introduce legislation that promotes the Tibetan people's inalienable right to self-determination, and which increases accountability on the Chinese Communist Party for its crimes against the Tibetan people. And what the bill does is it designates Tibet as occupied by the People's Republic of China.
Now his message of compassion feels more important as ever, like especially in today's world. That's why we're asking you to co-sponsor the S Resolution 283. It honors His Holiness on his 90th birthday and reaffirms the U.S.'s support for Tibetan people.
So, and Radio Free Asia and Voice of America has been a critical part of our Tibet freedom struggle, because it is a lifeline for Tibetans inside Tibet, as she has mentioned.
Advocating for Tibet and celebrating His Holiness's birthday. So, and I want to thank Congressman McCall and Congressman Dimagawa, who have all organized this event here. Today, I wanted to begin because just being here with all of you for these past 2 days and thinking about His Holiness right here, I would. And so many of the young lobbyist faces here, I'm reminded of how His Holiness shouldered the responsibility of his people and Tibet at the age of 16.
What a promise. Last 51 years, I think at my age, 16, I lost my dream. Inexperienced, but inexperienced, uneducated, nothing. I carry the responsibility to look out Tibet. And the Chinese Foundation already started. Now I said, I lost my freedom.
A true spiritual leader, I think about that meeting almost every day. He reminds us that the CCP can take away your land, but they cannot take away your culture or your spirit. Leading that delegation with Jim McGovern and Nicole Takas, who was here, was again so profound. And the relationships of the people of Tibet were so generous. The culture was so beautiful. And they had fought up against this tyranny for many years. And that's why Jim McGovern and I introduced and passed the promoting a resolution to the Tibet-China Dispute Act, which clarifies U.S. policy that Tibet's right, they have a right to their own language, they have a right to their own religion, culture, and they have a right to self-determination.
His Holiness inspires millions. His teachings on religious tolerance, nonviolence, and peace building. His advocacy for freedom and dignity of the Tibetan people. His global vision of compassion and human rights. His message is a universal one. And I think all of us in Congress who honor His Holiness the Dalai Lama need to recommit ourselves to making sure that monies that have been frozen that are designed to help the Tibetan people and and to help preserve Tibetan culture get restored. These funds were put in place in a bipartisan way, and we need a bipartisan group to make sure that they get restored. And so from here on Capitol Hill, we send our love to His Holiness halfway around the world in India. And I'm looking at this incredible photo of the Potala Palace. When I was there with America Pelosi in 2015.
And we're all here. Can't imagine, think the word, the 90th birthday of His Holiness, the Dalai Lama. As others have said, and I'm pleased to call back there, the government here talking about the spiritual leader that he is. The most important thing you can do while you're here is to make your presence known. Know your power in all of this, because as Mr. Governor and Bishop Paul indicated, this has always been bipartisan. For us, it's our respected Dalai Lama is unified.
And as we celebrate His Holiness' 90th birthday, we reflect with gratitude his lifelong dedication towards creating a more peaceful world. In his honor, the Central Tibetan Administration has officially designated his 90th year as the Year of Compassion. And as Chairman McCall mentioned, the House has just introduced a bipartisan resolution to celebrate His Holiness' birthday, July 6th as the Day of Compassion. So here I would like to express our deepest appreciation to Chairman Michael McCall, Congressman James McCall, Senator Jeff Markley, Senator Todd Young, and all the co-sponsors for leading and introducing this bipartisan.
Thank you for inviting me to join you today. While I regret that I can't be with you in person, I am honored to share a few words in celebration of His Holiness the Dalai Lama's 90th birthday.
On behalf of the state of Indiana, I would like to congratulate the International Campaign for Tibet on the occasion of the 90th birthday of His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Listen to each other and resolve things. Anyhow, we should be there. I send lots of love to all of you. Tashi Lode, and I'll see you next time around.
I believe everything is unique. Birthday. Everything is perfect. One comes of this also it involves change. So I think the meditating also about experience or knowledge also is in terms of change. So everything